Are you trying to set up an Amazon Alexa on your Android phone? It's really simple, and you'll be able to use Alexa or control smart devices right from your phone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to set up Alexa on any Android device. So let's jump right into it. First, open up the Alexa Play Store. Search for Amazon Alexa. Install it. While Alexa is not available in many regions, but don't worry, you can follow these ways. Open up a browser like Chrome. Tap on the search bar. Type Amazon Alexa APK. Tap on the first URL like APK Pure. Scroll down and find the download button. Tap on it. Scroll down again. Tap on the download X APK file. Here you can select the download path. Then tap download. Wait for a while. After downloading completing, install the app. If you can't install the app, then you need to get help from an additional app like Z Archiver. I know it's annoying, but you have to do it. So go to the Google Play Store, search Z Archiver, install it, then open the app, allow access to manage files. Now select the file from the top. Now select the app like Amazon Alexa. Then tap install, allow the access, then take the round circle below, and then tap OK. Now install it. The following methods can be followed by anyone who has downloaded from the Play Store or from a third-party way. Open the app, sign into your Amazon account, select your profile. Now tap play icon to hear your name. Then tap perfect. Now tap set up my features. Here you can add your phone number or you can skip it. Tap skip from the top right corner. Now set up your account what you already want to set. When your Alexa app is ready, tap on the more icon below. Now tap the plus icon from the top. Then tap device. Next tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Tap continue to nearby devices permission. Now make sure to plug into your Echo device and press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network. Select your Echo device, then it will try to reconnect your Wi-Fi. After connected, tap continue. Again, follow the prompts to set your Echo. Now tap your profile icon from the top right corner and then tap Voice ID. Tap Agree and Continue. Allow the mice if it asks. Now read the prompts loudly to set your Voice ID. Then tap Done. And your voice is settled up. Let's try out. Say Alexa, play music. And boom, your music is on. Exciting, right? That's all. Now you know how to set up an Amazon Alexa on any Android. If this video helped, please give it a like. Got any questions? Just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.